Hey everyone, welcome back to Hero Handmade Crochet. Today I'll be showing you how to crochet a fun and easy watermelon slice earring. It's a super quick project and perfect for adding a fresh summery vibe to your look. First of all, we will look into the things needed. These are the materials I'm using today. I'm using 100% cotton yarn along with the 1.5mm crochet hook. If you want to purchase the materials, you can check the links in the description box below. Let's get started with the tutorial. We will start with a magic ring. So wrap the yarn around your index finger 2 times with the red yarn, and then I'm going to insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through the ring. Now we have a loop on our hook, yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the magic ring we are going to work into. In the first round, we need to work 8 single crochets into the magic ring. So insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through the ring. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is the first single crochet of the round. Again, insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through both the loops. Now we have completed 2 single crochets over here. Just like that, we will continue to make the other ones. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And then we can pull the tail tight to close the magic ring like so. And then work a slip stitch on top of the first single crochet of the round over here. So insert the hook into the first single crochet and we will work over this tail, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. Now we have completed our first round. Start round 2, chain 1, yarn over and pull through the loop. Now we are going to work 1 increase in each one of the stitches around, which means we need to work 2 single crochets into each one of the stitches. So we will go into the base stitch here and work 2 single crochets, 1 and 2. And then we will go into the second stitch here and work 2 single crochets into that as well, 1 and 2. These are the increases. Again, work 2 single crochets into the third stitch here, 1 and 2. Just like that, we need to work 2 single crochets as an increase into each one of the stitches around. Now I'm at the end of the round. Here we have 16 stitches now, and leave a long tail for sewing and you can cut the yarn off. After that, we will use the yarn needle to join the round like this. First of all, we will thread the yarn needle . And then I'm going to skip the first single crochet of the round here and insert the needle into the second single crochet. And then insert the needle again into the last single crochet here. With that, you can see that we joined the round, and then we will just run the tail through a few stitches to hide the tail. Like this, and then cut the excess piece of the yarn. Now we will start with round 3. There I'm going to join the white yarn. What I'm going to do is just insert the hook into any one of the stitches around and then pull the white yarn through the stitch. Now we have a loop on our hook. Yarn over and pull through the loop. And then I'm going to work over this tail on this round so that it will get hidden inside the stitches. Work one single crochet into the same base stitch and then work an increase into the second stitch here. One and two. This is the pattern we need to repeat on this round. Work one single crochet into the first stitch and two single crochets as an increase into the second stitch. One and two. Repeat the pattern again. One single crochet into the first stitch and two single crochets into the second stitch. One and two. Like that, we will just repeat the same pattern until the end of the round. This is the end of the round. And then leave a long tail for sewing and you can cut the yarn off. After that, use the yarn needle to join the round, just like the way we have joined the previous row. Just count and make sure that you have 24 stitches around. This is what we have completed so far. Now we will get started with round 4. I'm going to join the green yarn into round 4. So insert the hook into any one of the stitches around. And then we will pull the green yarn through the stitch. Yarn over and pull through the loop. Here also we are going to work over this tail so that we don't have to worry about hiding it at the end. Now work one single crochet into the base stitch and then work another one single crochet into the second stitch here and then an increase into the third stitch. So work two single crochets into the third stitch. One and two. This is the pattern we need to repeat on this round. Work one single crochet into the first stitch, one single crochet into the second stitch and an increase into the third stitch. So work two single crochets into the third stitch. One and two. We have to just repeat the pattern until the end of the round. Work one single crochet into each one of the next two stitches and an increase into the third stitch. One and two. Just repeat the pattern until the end and meet me back there. This is the end of the round and then I'm going to leave a long tail for sewing and cut the yarn off. After that we can use the yarn needle to join the round. This is what it looks like. And then we will see how to create the seeds of the watermelon slice. I'm going to use a piece of black yarn like this and use the yarn needle to create the seeds. This is what we have completed. And you can just repeat the process and complete the other piece as well. And then we will see how to put all these pieces together to complete the earring. First of all, I'm going to take one of the jump rings, open it up using the pliers and insert that into a stitch around. And then we will slide the second jump ring also in. After that, take the hook ear wires, open it up using the pliers and attach that to the second jump ring. Just slide it in and close it with the pliers. Now we have completed one of the earrings. Just repeat the process and complete the second earring as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this watermelon earring tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. You can find all the materials I used in the description box below, and be sure to join my Patreon for exclusive patterns and early access to new videos. Happy crocheting and see you next time.